Hello everybody. If you want to read all the stories in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. Short story 194, The Unseen Beauty of Seabrook. In the charming town of Seabrook, nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling coastline, there lived a woman named Anna. Anna had a passion for discovering beauty in the overlooked corners of her hometown. She believed that every place, no matter how ordinary, held a secret splendour waiting to be found. One crisp morning, Anna set out with her camera, determined to capture the unseen beauty of Seabrook. She wandered through the cobbled streets, snapping photos of dew-kissed flowers and the warm glow of sunrise on the old brick buildings. As she meandered, Anna stumbled upon a narrow alleyway she had never noticed before. It was lined with an array of potted plants and hanging vines that created a green canopy above her head. Intrigued, she followed the alley's winding path until it opened up into a small, secluded courtyard. In the centre of the courtyard stood an ancient fountain, its stone worn by time and covered in moss. Water flowed gently from its centerpiece, a statue of a maiden holding an urn. The scene was serene and utterly enchanting. Anna spent hours in the courtyard, capturing its every detail through her lens. She felt as if she had discovered a hidden gem, a piece of Seabrook's soul that had been quietly waiting to be seen. As the day waned, Anna knew it was time to return home. She left the courtyard with a heart full of joy and a camera full of memories. She had set out to find beauty and found more than she had hoped for. A magical place that she could return to whenever she needed to escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. The next day, Anna returned to the courtyard with a picnic basket, eager to spend more time in her newfound sanctuary. As she enjoyed her lunch, she noticed an old man tending to the plants. His hands moved with care, pruning and watering each one with a gentle touch. Curious, Anna approached the man and asked about the courtyard. His name was Mr. Thompson, and he revealed that the courtyard was once part of a grand estate that had belonged to his family for generations. Over time, the estate had been divided and sold off, but he had worked tirelessly to preserve this last piece of his heritage. Mr. Thompson shared stories of the courtyard's past, of elegant parties and quiet afternoons spent by the fountain. He spoke of his ancestors who had built the fountain as a symbol of hope and beauty in difficult times. Anna listened, captivated by the history that surrounded her. She offered to help Mr. Thompson with the gardening, and together they spent the afternoon caring for the plants that brought so much life to the courtyard. As they worked side by side, Anna realized that she had not only discovered a hidden place, but also a new friend. Mr. Thompson's stories added depth to her photographs, each one now holding a tale of Seabrook's rich past. When it was time to part ways, Mr. Thompson thanked Anna for her company and help. He gave her a small potted plant from the courtyard as a token of their friendship. Anna left with a promise to return and continue helping Mr. Thompson preserve the beauty of the courtyard. She had set out to capture Seabrook's unseen beauty, but ended up capturing its heart. Vocabulary notes. Nestled, verb, to be located in a protected or comfortable position. Example. The cottage was nestled among tall pine trees. Cobbled, adjective, made of a surface covered with cobblestones, which are small round stones. Example, they walked down the cobbled street, listening to the sound of their footsteps. Meandered, verb, to follow a winding course, to wander without a fixed destination. Example, she meandered through the park, enjoying the sunny afternoon. Enchanting, adjective, delightfully charming or attractive. Example, the fairy tale was so enchanting that the children listened in wonder. Sanctuary, noun, a place of refuge or safety, a peaceful place where one can feel relaxed. Example, the quiet library was a sanctuary for those who love to read. Tending, verb, to take care of or look after something. Example, he spent his weekends tending to his vegetable garden. Pruning, verb, to trim by cutting away dead or overgrown branches or stems, especially to encourage growth. Example, she was pruning the rose bushes to prepare them for spring. Estate, noun, a large area of land owned by a person, family or organization. Example, the estate had been in their family for centuries, complete with a mansion and gardens. Ancestors, noun, people from whom one is descended, especially those more distant than grandparents. Example, she learned about her ancestors who had immigrated from Ireland. Token, noun, a thing serving as a visible or tangible representation of a fact, quality, feeling, etc. Example, he gave her a book as a token of his appreciation for her help. Story written by Copilot AI. Images created by Copilot AI. To read all the stories in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. Hello, this is Steve. If you enjoyed the story, please would you take the time to leave a meaningful comment and click on the like icon. If you want to know when the next story has been uploaded, please click on the notify bell icon to be notified. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and tell your English learning friends so they can benefit too. Thank you.